Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 quotes. On page 16, the text states that it took more than 30 years for the radio to reach 60 million people, 15 years for the television to reach 60 million people, and only 3 years for the internet to reach 90 million people. I believe the author was trying to convey that the more technology develops, the faster it travels. I find this to be very interesting because I never realized how much faster technology traveled as it developed more until I saw the numbers myself. On page 17, it talks about how when Liliana was giving birth to her daughter, the doctor was surprised her husband did not stand by her. I believe the author was giving an example of how different cultures have different beliefs and how you should always try to understand someone rather than being quick to judge. This impacted me because I am working on my nursing degree currently, and it taught me that I need to be more aware of the culture in order to be accommodating. On page 34, the text states that every verbal and nonverbal message contains multiple layers of meaning. The author discusses 3 different layers, which are content meaning, rational meaning, and identity meaning. These layers help people express themselves, and I feel this is important because in order to communicate, you need to learn to understand the other person and what they are trying to say. On page 39, it states that communication flexibility requires us to be sensitive to the differences and similarities between dissimilar cultures. I believe the author is trying to say it is important to learn to adapt to other cultures. Learning about other cultures is important because once you know the differences, you are able to properly communicate to where they will understand you and won't become an awkward conversation.